Get blow away all kind of thing. How much time you do this in your life already, boy? Yeah. Right, all we're going up the road. We're trying to make a quick distance run to get a final piece to the engine that we to key an engine that we're trying to rebuild. And this is what we have going on up the road there. You see this weather here? This weather is what we have coming in with direction. Right? The camera ain't giving no justice for the kind of weather that we are coming there. I'm gonna try to take the van. We're gonna try to take the van to head up the road. Key ain't gonna be the pilot, so hopefully we survive. Hopefully we survive. hopefully we survive the ride. On board, Kiddies, you had to tell the people what went on in Trinidad, you know. The people want to know what's going on, you know, because your new nickname is the Fire Lord. What went on in Trinidad?
Well, apparently a gas line had exploded and caught on fire. The whole engine we had blown up and thing, but soon I'll be back, and soon I'll be back in the hole. Right,
so what was going through your mind when the car catch a fire? What was going through your mind, boy?
Well, to be honest, boy, I was clueless, boy. I didn't even know what to do, but you know. But then I did. I'll thank God still now.
That to get through now.
Yeah.
So I hear the car up and running and operational now.
Well, yeah, it's operational right now, but soon I want to touch back and give.
Watch how the weather bad. Watch how the weather bad. Watch, tents get blown away, all kind of thing. Hey! say about yourself? Yes. Fuck it up. Change gear for what? Change gear nothing! Mash it up! Mash it up! Freaking bad like that. Right, tires done. Right, so today's the final label. Today's final lane. Final leg.
Final day to put in the head and the block together. Today is the final day we put the head and the block together. In metal head gasket this time, right? With head studs. Anyway. We're trying to do the right thing this time. See what we can get out of the non-turbo 25.
And we are KDs here to assist we a little bit. See how the metal head gaskets here. The fire lord. The fire god.
The fireman according to them girls.
Prince Zuko. Right, so we are at a point where the engine is fully completed. You know, Keon finally get the engine done. You see he started done scrap out this second engine bay here. But we ain't gonna bore all with the whole process because I done see that enough times already on the channel. So we're gonna sign off this episode here. We're gonna log off on this episode here. Okay, now Keon working on taking out this engine and all these small fine tunes and whatever. Thanks to Kadies again for coming out and helping with this. Like he tired in the corner there.
Fireman. Daddy fireman there.
Yeah, daddy fireman there. Alright, so Keon, what is the next step before they say we again?
Well, we done sign off on that one, so they know the next step. We're gonna see the engine inside.
Alright, so the next time we're gonna see the inside. We bad like that.
Bad like bomba quack.